Kidneys are bean-shaped organs in the body that perform various functions, which include filtering blood, removing waste via urination, generating hormones, maintaining minerals and water balance, and much more. You may not know that a number of the foods you eat on a regular basis contain significant concentrations of chemical substances that are damaging your kidneys. In this video, I will discuss 7 foods you are ingesting every day that are slowly damaging your kidneys. 1. Red meat. The protein in red meat is particularly high quality. Although protein is essential for growth, repair, and general health, when it's in excess it can also be harmful to the kidneys. 2. Peanuts. Kidney stones are brought on by oxalates, which are found in peanuts. The most common cause of renal issues is calcium oxalate stones. If you've ever created a calcium oxalate kidney stone, reducing your intake of foods high in oxalates may assist you to avoid doing so in the future. 3. Salted and processed meats. Both the salt and the protein in processed meats can be harmful to the kidneys over time. 4. Liver. In addition to the liver, several other vital organs contain purines, a type of chemical compound found in high concentrations in meat. When purines are in excess, the uric acid crystallizes, resulting in joint pain or kidney stones. 5. Canned vegetables. Vegetables in a can are bad for you since they contain so much salt. As a result, your kidneys have a harder time flushing out excess fluid.